Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a simple design using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool. Let's get started. First, click the Create a Design button to begin. Canva offers a wide range of templates to choose from. Select a category or start from custom sizing for the product you're making. For this example, we'll use a blank template. Now you have a blank canvas. It's time to fully customize your design. You can change the background by clicking on Background and choosing a color or uploading an image. To add elements, click on the Elements tab on the left. You can insert shapes, lines, icons, frames, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. To add text, click on Text on the left and then add a heading or add a subheading. Double-click the text to edit it. You can also change fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. You can also add effects to the text to make it curve or look a little bit different. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and share it. Choose between the formats you want, whether it's a JPEG, a PNG, or a PDF, and click Download. And there you go. Once your design has been created and saved, you can easily upload it into our online design tool and perfect your product. Easy peasy. We can't wait to see your creations. We will see you soon.